Imagine a world where hunger is banished for good, a future where artificial intelligence has completely overhauled food production and distribution, yet the time-tested values of hard work and community still resonate. In this video, we're set to explore how AI technologies have transformed over the past 50 years to defeat global hunger. Picture smart farms employing drones and sensors to fine-tune crop yields, while AI-powered logistics guarantee that food reaches those in need with unwavering precision. Merging imaginative speculative fiction with grounded facts, we'll dive into the breakthroughs that have revolutionized our approach to food security. Join us as we uncover the pioneering advancements that not only changed how we grow food, but also redefined our enduring battle with hunger itself. Today, approximately 828 million people worldwide are affected by hunger, with millions more suffering from malnutrition. These staggering statistics highlight a pressing global crisis that demands our attention. Socioeconomic factors such as poverty, conflict, and climate change significantly contribute to food insecurity, leaving vulnerable populations without access to adequate nutrition. The urgency to find innovative solutions has never been greater, as the consequences of inaction extend beyond individual suffering to impact entire communities and economies. As we delve deeper into this issue, it becomes clear that addressing world hunger requires a multifaceted approach, combining technology, policy changes, and grassroots efforts to create lasting change. AI technologies are transforming agriculture through precision farming and advanced crop management techniques. By utilizing data analytics, machine learning, and IoT devices, farmers can monitor soil health, weather patterns, and crop conditions in real time. Successful case studies, such as those involving AI-driven irrigation systems and predictive analytics, have shown significant improvements in yield while reducing waste. For instance, farms using AI have reported up to a 30% increase in productivity and a substantial decrease in resource consumption. This potential for AI to revolutionize food production systems is immense, paving the way for sustainable practices that not only enhance efficiency, but also contribute to global food security in the long run. AI is playing a crucial role in optimizing food distribution networks, significantly enhancing logistics and reducing food spoilage. Advanced algorithms analyze data to streamline transportation routes, ensuring that perishable goods reach their destinations quickly and efficiently. Additionally, AI's ability to predict demand helps organizations manage supply chains more effectively, minimizing waste and ensuring that food is available where it's needed most. Partnerships between tech companies and food organizations are emerging, combining expertise to create innovative solutions that address distribution challenges. These collaborations are paving the way for smarter, more resilient food systems that not only improve efficiency, but also contribute to reducing hunger on a global scale. Imagine a world where AI ensures equitable food distribution, eliminating hunger and malnutrition for millions. In this future, advanced algorithms analyze data to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that food reaches every corner of the globe. The implications of AI-driven food security extend beyond individual well-being. They could reshape global economies, fostering stability and growth in regions previously plagued by food scarcity. As we envision this transformative journey, it's essential to consider our roles in making this vision a reality. Whether through supporting innovative technologies, advocating for sustainable practices, or engaging in community initiatives, each of us can contribute to a future where hunger is a thing of the past. As we integrate AI into food systems, it's crucial to address the ethical implications that arise. Concerns about data privacy and algorithmic bias are significant, as flawed algorithms can perpetuate inequalities and impact vulnerable populations disproportionately. Ensuring that technology development is inclusive is essential, allowing diverse voices to shape solutions that benefit everyone. This inclusivity not only fosters trust, but also enhances the effectiveness of AI applications in addressing hunger. Furthermore, it's vital to encourage ongoing dialogue about the responsibilities of AI developers and users. By prioritizing ethical considerations, we can create a future where AI not only optimizes food systems, but also upholds fairness and equity for all. In summary, we've explored the transformative potential of AI in solving world hunger, from optimizing agricultural practices to revolutionizing food distribution networks. Key takeaways include the importance of precision farming, the role of AI in predicting demand, and the ethical considerations we must address as we move forward. As we envision a future where AI eradicates hunger, it's essential for each of us to engage in this conversation and advocate for innovative solutions. If you found this discussion insightful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others to raise awareness about the critical role AI can play in creating a hunger-free world. Until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and follow.